Let me show you how to make air fryer baked potatoes with crispy skin, fluffy center, and just a few simple ingredients. I usually take 3 medium-sized potatoes so the air fryer basket does not get overcrowded. My favorite are russet potatoes because the skin gets crispy and the middle turns soft and fluffy. But Yukon Gold or red potatoes work too. Rub the potatoes with a little olive oil or avocado oil. The oil helps the seasoning stick and helps the skin crisp up really nicely in the air fryer. I also like to sprinkle on some salt and pepper on the potatoes, but you can use whatever seasoning you like. Also, I forgot to mention, always make sure your potatoes are clean and dry before adding the oil and seasoning, especially if you like eating the crispy skins. Next, use your fork and poke a few holes all around each potato. I forgot to do this the first time I made baked potatoes, and I learned pretty quickly that the steam needs somewhere to go. You only need a few pokes on each side. The holes let the steam escape while the potatoes cook in the air fryer, so they do not build up too much pressure and split open in a weird way. Next, put the potatoes in the air fryer basket, leaving a little space between them if you can. A little space makes a big difference here because the skins crisp better when the air can move around each potato. Air fry the potatoes in a preheated air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 200 degrees Celsius, for 30 minutes on one side. After 30 minutes, carefully pull out the basket and use tongs to turn the potatoes over. They will be hot, so do not use your hands. Turning them helps the other side get a chance to crisp up nicely too. At this point, I like to add a little more salt because some of it can fall off while the potatoes cook. It also gives the second side a little extra flavor. Then air fry the potatoes for another 30 minutes or until they feel tender when you poke them with a fork. The fork should slide in easily without much pressure. These air fryer baked potatoes get such a lovely crispy skin every time, and when you cut them open, the inside is soft, fluffy, and steaming hot. They are perfect with some butter, salt, and pepper, or you can load them up with sour cream, cheese, bacon, green onions, or any toppings you like. And if you want to try another air fryer potato recipe, check out my air fryer Hasselback baked potatoes video here next. The thin cuts let the seasoning get down into the potato, and the edges turn really crispy in the air fryer. It is a fun one to make when you want something a little different from a regular baked potato.